My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This vehicle has done just under 49,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. On the touchscreen we can access our main features, which are smartphone integration, navigation and radio, media and information, Mercedes apps, store and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.